Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 Pro, replacing the Taptic Engine. Let's get started. At first, we disassembled the display module. Now removing the necessary screws to remove the vibration engine from the motherboard. This is the new vibration engine. Now place it on the motherboard. Attaching necessary screw and display module. Now it's time to check. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the iPhone 12 Pro Taptic Engine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides.